guys, welcome back to my channel, and in this video I'm gonna make a makeover. I'm gonna do a makeover. This slime is very bad, like it's really rippy and I really don't like it. The texture is also very not interesting, and like you can see it's really hard and stiff and I really don't like it. So I thought to make it a bit frosty, so I thought to add in a bit of instant snow, and by adding an instant snow it also melts, so I think it will become more stretchy and more frosty. So yeah, you're gonna put the instant snow into the bowl or container, and then you're gonna put in water, and make sure to not to add too much water or like it will not be good. Once your snow is ready, put your slime into it. You can see the change, it becomes stretchier as well as soft, and you can see it.